Kendra, and today I'll be showing you 10 easy ways to make a cool painting. Look at that cool painting I made. So let's begin. One is a standard paintbrush. You just squirt the paint. B is tape. Hello, I can see you. I put my piece of tape down. That's how you tape it so arranged. Where should I paint it? I will be doing back and forth. Peel off the tape. That looks pretty cool, actually. It's a car. Wheels. Ooh, vroom vroom. Ooh, get one side of the truck wet and the other. Ah, cool. That's cool looking. Number 5 is you can use your hand or your fingers. Oh, I haven't felt paint for so long. Whoa, my hand's completely black. Is leaf painting. Is string painting. Is straw painting. Sponges. Number 10 is bevel painting. Ooh, bubble time. I used all 10 techniques to make a very cool painting. Ooh, if you like this video, like and subscribe, hit the notification button. Hit the notification button to never miss out on any more King art videos? Yeah, art videos, not art, craft videos. Peace out. And you can make it in different ways, like sponge first, string art first, or maybe normal paintbrush last.